Hi folks, Russ from ProSteam here. Today we're working on a Karndean floor. This floor's been down a number of years. It's never been sealed. It's got areas which are very worn, especially down here where the door, the entrance to the door is there. And we've just started deep cleaning that area. We have a scratch down here. And we've also got an area where the customer had unfortunately dropped a plate, damage unfortunately. So the natural kind of finish to this floor is matte. So therefore we will finish it in a matte sealant. It's still undecided whether or not the customer is going to go for the matte hard seal or the matte PU sealer. I think looking at the amount of scratches on this floor, I think the PU sealer most definitely would be the better option, because that will fill those scratches and kind of give the floor a new lease of life. Anyway, we're gonna completely deep clean this floor. Then we're going to come back and see how it looks then, and at that point the customer will make a decision. This Karndean floor now is clean and it's ready for sealing. We have, well, I should say the customer has decided to go for the PU sealer, which will repair the wear layer. And so we're going to zone in on certain things like this tile here, which has got scratches, as you can see. There's scratches all over that tile. The tile has faded through ultraviolet fading, and so the PU sealer will seal, and it will also help to fill in those imperfections that we can see there. And there was also some scratches on this tile here. Difficult to, there we go. All right, so you can see the scratches there. Once we've got 2 applications of the PU sealer on this floor, we will come back and we will go over these areas again, so you will be able to see an improvement. There you go, let's get started. Been on this job all day. It's 5 to 6 and I started at 9:30. But all that time and effort has paid off, because this Karndean floor that was looking a little bit worse for wear is now looking really, really nice. And we've used a PU sealer on this floor with an additive that helps to strengthen the wear layer, and also it helps to fill in the imperfections of the scuffs and the scratches. So if you have a look now, you will not see any scratches on that tile. There were scratches, I think it was on this one. We looked at that earlier. Anyway, it's all gone. It's like a brand new floor now. There were areas of this floor which unfortunately were there was a few gouges, and we can't remove gouges, but can you remember the scratch that was here? It's hardly noticeable now, but there was a kind of a gouge here where a plate was dropped by the customer, and again, it's hardly noticeable. You can't really see it at all. So there you go, that's looking a lot better. The PU sealer is guaranteed to last for around 3 years by Dr. Schutz. Okay, so as long as the floor is well maintained, using the correct products, there's no reason why this sealer will not last a good 3 years, because when this cures, and it takes about 5 days to fully cure, it is like plastic. It's like a really hard plastic. So we provide our customers with these overshoes to wear until the floor is 100%.